Are you tired of stretching every dollar, struggling to make ends meet? The daily grind, the constant worry about bills, and the never-ending financial hurdles can be overwhelming. Don't worry. In this video, we are sharing 10 ways to make money online with your online skills. Number 1. Freelance digital services. Freelancing continues to be a dominant force in the gig economy, allowing individuals to offer various digital services like writing, graphic design, programming, or video editing. Platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer simplify the process of connecting with clients. Tools required: a reliable computer and professional software relevant to the service. Always over-deliver and seek client feedback to improve and refine your offerings. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission from sales through your unique affiliate link. This method is popular amongst bloggers and social media influencers. Tools required: a website and SEO tools. Focus on high-quality content and trustworthy product reviews to build a loyal audience. Number 3. Online courses and webinars. If you have expertise in a specific field, consider creating online courses or hosting webinars. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Coursera are great for distributing your knowledge. Tools required: video recording equipment, editing software, and regularly update your courses to keep them relevant and valuable. Number 4. E-commerce store. Start your own online store selling products directly to customers. This could be through platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Tools required: e-commerce platform subscription, inventory management tools, success suggestion. Focus on niche markets and excellent customer service. Number 5. Stock photography. Photographers can sell their photos on stock photography websites such as Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Focus on niche categories with less competition. Startup costs will be low to moderate for good camera equipment. Tools required: it's a high-quality camera, photo editing software. Number 6. Virtual assistant. Virtual assistants provide administrative support to businesses or entrepreneurs from a remote location. Tasks may include scheduling, email management, or social media management. Tools required: computer, high-speed internet, various software for task management. Number 7. Blogging. Start blogging about a passion or interests that can generate income through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate links. For example, a food blog with recipes and cooking tips. Always use long-tail keywords to drive specific traffic. Tools required: blogging platform, SEO tools. Number 8. App development. If you have coding skills, developing your own apps can be a lucrative venture. Apps can be sold on platforms like Google Play or Apple's App Store. Tools required: development software, access to developer accounts for app stores. Number 9. YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel can attract a wide audience. You can earn money from ad revenue, sponsorships, and fan donations. Tool required: camera, microphone, and video editing software. Focus on creating content that adds value and is entertaining. And number 10. Podcasting. Podcasts are a great way to share your knowledge or entertain an audience on specific topics. Monetize through sponsorships, advertisements, and merchandise. Tools required: microphone, audio editing software, podcast hosting service.